Welcome to the next tutorial of Blender. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a fence. So let's go with S for scale, and we're going to go ahead and make a post. S to scale down, and then just scale this up to the height that you need it. We're going to go with G to move this down. Let's see. Just go ahead and turn on these. Alright, so once we've got our post right here, we're going to go ahead and we'll go with Shift D to duplicate this. We're going to go S for scale, bring this into the side, and what we'll do is go to edit mode. We'll take this top face right here, E for extrude, S for scale it inwards, so you've got something like this. You can go with S for scale if you want to, just to bring that down just a little bit more. Just go ahead and place that next to the post right here. And what we'll do is we'll take this, let's go with G, bring this to the side right here. And essentially what you want to do is make sure that that's in the middle. We'll go Shift D again. And if we press 1, we'll get this. And if we press 0.5, we should have this. But I'm going to go with 0.6. Let's go with Shift D again. 0.6, Shift D, move this across, 0.6. Depending on how big your design is, you just want to go ahead and just do it like this. Might be 0.6, 0.7, whatever. And should have something like this. So let's go Shift D again, 0.6. Shift D, 0.6, and then we'll take this post right here. Let's go Shift D, and then we'll press, if we go 1, we'll have something like this. If we go 2, something like this. 4, 5 would go here, and if you just do 6 right here, so if we do Shift D, 0.6, we'll then be able to get that in the middle. So if I just move this light right here, let's go with G, take this that we've done, so we go Shift D and 6. You'll have something like that. Obviously you got a double post right here. But yeah, basic fence for you newbies that are just starting out. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please subscribe and I will see you in the next one.